Hello everyone and welcome to the Congleton Garden Machinery YouTube channel. With our Honda Black Friday sale now well underway, we wanted to bring you some of our top picks for Honda machines you should be looking to get your hands on this Black Friday. You'll hear from our team of experts with some of their favourite Honda machines on sale and why you should be looking to take advantage of our top savings this Black Friday.
Hi, I'm Bailey from Congleton Garden Machinery, and my top pick from our Honda Black Friday sale is the Honda HRN 536 VY self-propelled lawnmower with mulching and rotostop. This mower is a favorite because it delivers a professional quality finish without the hard work. The variable speed self-propelled drive makes it incredibly easy to use, especially on bigger lawns or sloped gardens. It also features Honda's Versamo mulching system, which lets you switch between collecting and mulching with no tools. A big time saver that also helps improve the health of your lawn. One of the standout features is rotostop, which lets you stop the blades without turning the engine off. It's perfect for when you need to empty the bag or move obstacles safely, and it makes mowing much more efficient. Built with Honda's legendary reliability, the HRN 536 VY is durable, powerful, and ideal for anyone who wants a premium mower at a great Black Friday price. It's another exciting feature Honda Black Friday sale. Visit us in store or check out our website to grab yours while the offer lasts.
Hey, I'm Andy, and this is the one I'm most excited about, Honda HRX 476 QY. This has the blade stop mechanism on the top, so when you're emptying the grass, you're not having to restart the machine once you've done that. It's got the Honda GC-VX 170 engine, which has the easy start engine. It's really easy to start. Anyone and everybody can start those. Large grass box at the back, so minimizes the amount of times you're emptying the grass, and get yours now. So next up we have the Honda HF2417, which has the 17 horsepower V-twin engine, the mulch facility on the back. The mulch facility is just a simple flick of the lever, which enables you to go from rear discharge to mulching. Now with the mulching, it allows the grass to be recycled through the cutting system, which forces the grass down and into the roots of the ground, which feeds the grass by releasing nitrogen. Along with that, it's got the simple press of the button for the emptying of the grass box at the back. So simple press of the button, and that box then lifts up, and it will empty the grass just by a simple flick of the switch.
Hi, I'm Molly from Congleton Garden Machinery, and my top pick from our Honda Black Friday sale is the Honda Mimo 4000 Live Robotic Lawnmower. The Mimo 4000 Live is an incredible piece of kit because it takes all the effort out of your lawn care. It handles lawn of up to 4,000 square metres, and it works completely automatically and gives you a perfectly cut lawn every single day without you ever having to push a mower. One of my favourite features is the smart GPS tracking and smartphone control. You can check on Mimo, adjust your settings, and even send it back to charge right from your phone. It's really reliable, really clever, and the perfect choice if you want a great lawn with zero hassle. We've got a fantastic deal on the Mimo 4000 this Black Friday, but our stock is limited. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your lawn care, now is the perfect time. Visit us in store or check out our full offer on the website. And another top pick of mine from our Honda Black Friday sale is the Honda Cordless Lawn Trimmer. This is a great choice because it's incredibly lightweight, quiet, and really easy to handle. It's perfect for anybody who wants precise trimming without the noise or hassle of a petrol machine. The powerful 36-volt battery gives you excellent runtime, and the brushless motor means smooth performance with less maintenance. One thing I really like is how balanced and comfortable it feels when in use. Whether you're tidying edges or cutting thicker patches of grass, it delivers clean, controlled results every time. It's a great option for homeowners who want something reliable, efficient, and effortless to use. It's another fantastic value item, but with limited stock, make sure you don't miss out on the chance of another great Black Friday deal.
And there you have it, some of our top Honda picks for you to get your hands on this Black Friday. Visit us in store or online to make sure you don't miss out on these amazing deals before they run out. Or feel free to give us a call on 01260 278 332 if you have any questions, and our team will be happy to help. Make sure to check out our other social media channels for more updates from the CGM team. And if you'd like to see more videos on the Honda machines we have to offer this Black Friday, make sure to leave a like and drop us a comment on what you'd like to see. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.